My beloved, pause for a moment. Listen not with your ears, but with the quiet whispers of your heart. Tonight I speak not just to you, but to the depths of your soul, where the echoes of eternity linger. Are you ready to hear what the heavens declare? To uncover the treasure that awaits, hidden just beyond the veil of doubt? Let us begin, and tread the path together. As the night envelopes your world, a mystery unfolds. It is not merely the absence of light, but an invitation, a holy pause, beckoning your restless spirit to find refuge. Tonight is unlike any other, for I have dispatched an angel to your dwelling. This angel bears a message written with my own hand, imbued with the light of heaven. This message holds the answers to your doubts, the balm to your fears, and the clarity your weary heart has long sought. But will you receive it? Will you open the eyes of your heart to behold what lies unseen? Type yes to confirm it. My child, you are not forgotten. I know the burdens you carry, the prayers whispered in the stillness, and the tears shed in secret. I have seen the moments when you felt abandoned, questioning if I was near. But tonight, let me reassure you, I have been by your side through every storm. Every shadow that sought to overtake you trembled at the light of my presence. Even now I am working, weaving a tapestry of blessings that will astonish you when revealed. Close your eyes and rest, for in the quiet of your dreams I will meet you. You will feel the brush of my love in every vision, the warmth of my embrace in every breath of hope. As the morning sun rises, so shall your spirit. The dawn will bring more than light, it will bring restoration. Everything stolen by despair, doubt, and fear will be returned to you, multiplied beyond your imagination. Remember the seeds of kindness you've sown? Every act of compassion, every moment you've given selflessly, every prayer offered on behalf of another, I have counted them all. Not one has gone unnoticed, and each will return to you in overflowing measure. You may wonder, how can this be? My trials are too great, my strength too small. But I say to you, do not fear, for I am your strength. I am your shield. I am the one who turns mourning into dancing, who transforms ashes into beauty. Your story is not over. Be a member of a blissful community and give a super thanks of at least $11. Even now, the heavens are preparing a table for you. Angels rejoice, for your breakthrough draws near. Can you feel it? Can you sense the stirring in the air, the quiet tremor of the earth beneath your feet? That is the sound of chains breaking, of strongholds crumbling. Soon you will witness the blessings I have promised: restored health, unshakable peace, and joy uncontainable. Your days of weeping are numbered, for I am making all things new. Type blessed if you want my blessings. My beloved, this is not merely a promise, it is a covenant, and as you step forward, I ask for your heart in return. Rise each morning with me as your first thought, your first love. Speak to me, and I will listen. Seek me, and you will find me. Walk in faith even when the path is unclear, and trust that I am leading you toward a destiny greater than you can fathom. Dedicate your first moments of every day to our communion. Let the words of your prayers be as incense rising to my throne. Step into the world with courage, knowing that no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Proclaim my truth boldly, for there are many who await the light you carry. Rejoice. The heavens are singing, for today is your day of salvation. The chains of yesterday are broken, and the shadows that once loomed over you have fled. Your future is brighter than the sun, for it is painted with the colors of my grace. Everything that the enemy has stolen will be restored, and your life will overflow with blessings. Stand tall, my child, for you are not defeated. You are chosen. You are loved beyond measure. And as you walk forward, know this: I am with you always, even to the end of the age. My beloved, rest now. The night is your sanctuary, and my arms are your refuge. Sleep in peace, for when you awaken, the first light you see will be my smile, welcoming you to a new day, a new chapter. Remember, you are mine and I am yours, forever and always. Type 1111 in the comments if you are in this part of the video. My beloved, can you feel it? The night has fallen, yet it holds a secret, one that has been waiting just for you. Look beyond the veil of darkness. Close your eyes and sense it. A shift is happening. Heaven stirs. The earth trembles in quiet anticipation. Even the stars seem to lean closer tonight, their light shining a little brighter, as if they too are witnesses to what is about to unfold. You are not here by chance. This moment has been written in eternity, Before the foundations of the earth, this night was set apart for you, a divine appointment. Are you ready to hear what I have to say? Will you let my words shape the course of your tomorrow? Type yes if you agree with me. Tonight is not an ordinary night. As you read these words, my angel stands at the threshold of your dwelling, holding a letter penned by my own hand. This message is no mere collection of words. It is my very heart, poured out for you. Within it lies the clarity you've been seeking, the strength you've been lacking, and the love you've been longing for. But there is more. This angel does not come empty-handed. Along with my letter, they carry the keys to unlock the blessings that have been stored up for you. Blessings you cannot yet see, but which have been prepared for this exact moment. There is a condition, though, a test of your faith. Will you open your heart to receive them? Will you dare to believe in what your eyes cannot yet perceive? My child, you are my treasure. You are my masterpiece. Before you even took your first breath, I knew you. I formed you in the secret place, weaving together every part of you with purpose and love. Even when the world seemed to turn its back on you, I never left. In every storm, I was your shelter. In every trial, I was your strength. And in your darkest moments, when you thought no one saw your pain, I was there, collecting every tear as a precious offering. You ask, why me? How could I be worthy of such love? Let me tell you this. My love for you is not earned. It simply is. It flows endlessly, not because of what you have done, but because of who you are, my beloved. No failure, no mistake, no moment of doubt can ever diminish it. My love is relentless, unchanging, and it is yours forever. Type blessed tonight if you want blessing tonight. As you prepare to rest tonight, let go of the burdens you carry. Place them in my hands, for I am strong enough to bear them. When you close your eyes, let your dreams be a canvas for my promises. See yourself walking paths of hope, where fear no longer binds you, and sorrow is but a distant memory. Feel the gentle breeze of renewal brushing against your spirit, lifting you higher and higher until all that remains is peace. Know this. The dreams I give you tonight are not mere illusions. They are glimpses of the future I have planned for you, a future filled with joy, abundance, and purpose. Let these dreams prepare your heart for the dawn of a new day. When the sun rises, it will not be an ordinary dawn. It will be the first light of a new chapter in your life. The shackles that have held you back, fear, doubt, regret, will shatter. The scars of yesterday will become the marks of a survivor, a testament to my power to heal and restore. Do you hear it? The sound of chains breaking, of walls crumbling? That is the sound of your breakthrough. For every prayer you whispered in desperation, I am sending an answer. For every moment you felt unseen, I am shining my light upon you. For every tear you cried, I am sending a flood of joy that will overflow in your heart. Your mourning will turn into dancing, and your despair will be replaced with unshakable hope. Type I believe you if you believe in me. There was a time when you felt alive, when your heart burned with passion and purpose. But the trials of life have dimmed that flame. You've lost pieces of yourself along the way, dreams you gave up on, relationships that crumbled, hope that slipped through your fingers. But hear me now. I am the God of restoration. I am the God who makes all things new. Everything the enemy has stolen will be returned to you, multiplied beyond measure. The love you thought was gone forever will be rekindled. The opportunities you believed were missed will come around again, greater than before. I am not finished with you, my child. Your best days are not behind you, they are ahead. The heavens are rejoicing tonight because they know what you cannot yet see. A door is opening. A floodgate is about to be released. Can you feel the anticipation? Every act of kindness, every sacrifice you've made, every moment you've chosen faith over fear, they have not gone unnoticed. The seeds you have sown in tears will soon yield a harvest of joy. But this is not just about what I will give you. It is about who you are becoming. With each step of faith, you are growing stronger, braver, more radiant. The world will look at you and see my reflection. They will see a life transformed by love and grace. And through your testimony, they too will be drawn to the light. My child, only the blessed will see this video till its end, so behold with me. My beloved, this is your time. Rise each morning with me as your first thought, your first love. Let your heart be steadfast, trusting that I am guiding your steps. Speak my promises over your life, for there is power in your words. Declare boldly that you are not defeated, but victorious. Step forward with courage, knowing that I have already gone ahead of you to prepare the way. Hold nothing back. Surrender fully to me, and watch as I take your life and turn it into something extraordinary. You are not alone in this journey. I am with you, and together we will overcome every obstacle. The voice softens, but the words are no less powerful, wrapping you in a sense of peace and purpose. Close your eyes now, my child. Rest in the knowledge that you are loved beyond measure. As you journey through the night, let your spirit soar in the embrace of my presence. And when the morning comes, rise with the confidence that you are stepping into a destiny that has been waiting for you since the beginning of time. You are mine and I am yours forever and always. My beloved, stop for a moment. Let the world around you fade. Can you hear it? There's a whisper threading through the noise, calling out to you. It is not a sound you recognize with your ears, but one that reverberates deep within, a pull you've felt but could never name. This is your invitation to rise, to awaken from the slumber of doubt and fear. Tonight is not like any other night. Tonight the fabric of your life begins to shift. You stand at the edge of something extraordinary. But before you take the first step, I ask you, are you ready? Are you willing to let go of everything that has held you back and take hold of the promises waiting just beyond the horizon? Even now, the unseen world stirs. Angels walk among you, their presence as quiet as the falling snow, their hands overflowing with gifts you cannot yet imagine. They carry treasures meant for you, wisdom, strength, peace, and joy. But these gifts are hidden behind a veil of faith. They will not reveal themselves to a heart weighed down by fear or a mind distracted by doubt. The question is not whether I will deliver on my promises. The question is whether you will trust me enough to receive them. Can you, my beloved, step into the unknown with nothing but my word as your guide? Can you trust that beyond this night lies the dawn of a new life? Type, I trust you, Jesus, if you really, really trust me. My child, I know the weight you carry. I see the scars you try to hide, the silent battles you fight alone. You've been misunderstood, overlooked, even betrayed by those you thought would stand by your side. There are nights you lie awake, wondering if the pain will ever end, if the dreams you once held so close will ever come alive again. Let me tell you this. Every tear you've shed has been counted. Every cry for help has reached my ears. You are not forgotten. You are not alone. I have walked every step of your journey with you, even when you couldn't feel my presence. I have been the whisper in your heart, urging you to keep going when giving up seemed easier. And tonight, I want you to know, everything you've endured has not been in vain. Now, a choice lies before you. Two paths stretch out into the unknown. One is the path of comfort, where the world's noise drowns out your heart's deepest callings. It is a path that feels safe but leads only to stagnation. The other path is narrow and steep, lit only by the flicker of my promises. It will require courage, for the way is not always clear, but it leads to life, abundant, overflowing, and eternal. This is the path I have prepared for you, the one that leads to the fulfillment of everything your soul was created to be. What will you choose, my beloved? The safety of the known or the adventure of trust? I need you to understand something. My love for you is not passive, it is relentless. It does not simply wait for you to come to me. It pursues you, chases after you, even when you try to run away. When you fall, my arms are there to catch you. When you wander, I leave everything to find you and bring you back. You are mine. You have always been mine, even in the moments you doubted it. And nothing, no mistake, no failure, no sin, is strong enough to separate you from my love. Let that truth sink into the depths of your heart. You are loved beyond comprehension, beyond words, beyond time itself. As the night gives way to dawn, so will your life be transformed. The light of a new day will not just illuminate the world around you, it will shine within you, igniting dreams that have long been dormant and stirring gifts you've yet to discover. You will walk into a future where the chains of your past no longer hold you captive. The fears that once paralyzed you will fall away, replaced by a courage you never knew you possessed. And the pain that once defined you will become the foundation of your strength. the soil from which your greatest victories will grow. Type "I'm yours" if you truly believe me. But do you sense it? There's more. A destiny unfolding, a purpose so grand that even now the heavens rejoice in anticipation. You were not created to live a small, quiet life. No, my beloved, you were created to shine, to impact the world in ways far greater than you can imagine. Right now, the threads of your story are being woven into a tapestry that will one day leave others speechless. Your life is not a random collection of moments, it is a masterpiece in the making. And the best part? The most beautiful chapters are still to come. Can you feel the anticipation? The angels can. They are singing your name even now. So rise, my child. Rise with the courage to embrace the unknown. Rise with the faith to trust me, even when the path ahead is unclear. Speak my promises over your life, declaring that no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Step boldly into each day, knowing that I am with you, that I go before you, and that I will never leave your side. This is your time. Your story is far from over. It is only just beginning. Now rest. Let the burdens of today melt away, for they no longer have power over you. Sleep deeply, my beloved, for as you dream, I will continue to work on your behalf. When you awaken, you will feel it. A lightness in your spirit, a quiet joy, and a deep peace that surpasses understanding. Remember this always. You are mine, and I am yours. Nothing will ever change that. Rest in my love tonight, and rise tomorrow ready to claim the life I have prepared for you. The dawn is coming, and it is beautiful. My child, I know the road you've traveled. I have walked it with you. I was there in the laughter of your brightest days, in the triumphs that filled your heart with joy. But I was also there in the shadows of your deepest valleys, when the weight of the world pressed down upon you, and you felt too weak to go on. You may have wondered, where was God when I cried out? Where was He when the pain was too much to bear? Let me tell you now, I was there holding you when you thought you were alone. I was there whispering hope when despair threatened to consume you. Every moment of your life I have been by your side, weaving beauty from the ashes of your pain. Now, if you want my miraculous blessings, then click on the video that is on the right side. Also subscribe to this channel for more of my blessings. Till then, amen, amen, amen.